How to add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So if you want to add any NFC card to your Apple Wallet, then just follow the steps. So you'll need to have an NFC enabled smartphone or iPhone that is capable of communicating with the NFC tag. And also make sure that your Apple device should run iOS 13 or later. So to find out that if your NFC is available or not, you just need to simply go with the settings on your iPhone. And under the settings, you just need to simply go with the control center and find an option where you can active NFC tags. If you don't have that, and if it is not active, you have to download the NFC app or NFC tools to the App Store that can actually read and write NFC tags. So open up your App Store on your iPhone and tap on the search, and you need to search for NFC app. Once you've searched, you will just simply have the NFC tools app, and under the NFC tools app you will have get option. So just download the application. Once you've downloaded, you'll be able to add your NFC card to your Apple Wallet. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.